always clear highway.
I think I'll just move slow. I can drive it. I'll just move very slow.
These roads are treacherous, man. You can't see nothing. I wish I had those winter tires ready. This kind of you want to test FSD. FSD will say no road here. Wait, let me open this. Cruise control unavailable. Reduce front camera visibility. It's not working. Drive, extremely cautiously. Like it's like you are pick up your lane and go. Like you're making your own lane. That's basically what it is. They said it to be ready yesterday, but I did not call them as well. I'll call them.
Maybe that break. I just have to know. I said I just have to know. I should go for my first break, like maybe 3:30.
So even if I'm gonna come, okay. But at least you can receive message on your phone now. Can you take it earlier? Like 3? I'm just asking.
So depending on morning, I have to go for breakfast.
Oh, so the earliest you can do is 3:30. Okay, that will be before the person goes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll walk around. Let's see. Relax, I'm gonna merge. Relax. And he's accelerating. Like people drive in winter as if they are driving on a regular day. You see that what's God is gonna end for me. Please anticipate and this trailer is blowing through. See the way it is blowing through. See. Even though you have winters on, still drive like someone who's got half a sense. Oh man. See this to speeding through inside the snow. Man. It wants to overtake. Go ahead and pass. You have the way. Just remember, I can't leave the track for you to go into.
You're not on the fast lane.
I'm not, yeah, sure, he's driving on the fast lane, but the fast lane is all packed with snow.
Okay.
He doesn't want to slow down, that's why he's. So you see, it's just blowing through it, like exactly, like you just need a little swerve off. See, this guy had to like leave the road for it here. You get, he had to like leave the, like come on. Drive with some sense. The conditions are treacherous enough for everybody. It's because you're not used to it. There's nothing scary about it. Best place to drive is drive behind a snowplow truck like this. Of course, with sufficient distance. As you leave. The sand they came to pour here, like the snow was so heavy, exactly, it has mixed with it, but still the road is still filled with.
Yeah, go to park it.
No, they're still gonna pack it, but this like endlessly. So I know they have a schedule as well. So got stuck in that place. They had to dig it out. So once you turn lightly like this, if I move faster than that, I would. The issue is not usually when you are making a turn or a slight bend. If you are going or you are climbing a hill or descending. If you are going straight, it's smooth.